Right then, so a massive well done to the final 19. There's 19 of you left in the process. As we know, themed weeks are coming up. From next week, we start our themed weeks, and this can be very challenging. This is where we really get to challenge you and test what you're all capable of. So, how this is going to work over the next few weeks is that each week, the mentors will pick a specific theme for their category. So every week we get in diverse performances coming up from my category and the girls. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to come over to the girls and ask them the theme they picked and what they expect from their category, okay? So Louise, I'll come to you. What's your first theme going to be?
Okay, so this week's theme is going to be pre-2000s. So I want you to pick a song from before 2000, so that doesn't include the year 2000, okay? So 90s, 80s, 70s and so on. I really want you all to challenge yourselves this week. You can contact me anytime if you need some help with song choices and everything like that. But I really want to see you all work really hard this week. Show me something different. Don't lose who you are at the same time. Just really bring it. I want you to show me that you want this. So pre-2000s, and I look forward to hearing them.
So my theme is just tell a story. So what I want you to do is I want you to really connect to a song emotionally, and I want to see how you interpret that. I want light and shade, I want to feel it, I want you to make me cry. You know, this is what I want. It's really, really important that you can move somebody with your voice, and this is what I want you to learn. So just completely, just take the song, dissect it, you know, really get into it, how you feel, how, even if it's just one word of the song that you can connect with, just feel it. And I need, that's what I'm going to be looking for on this theme, and this will decide, you know, my who goes and who stays, is just how well you take on this challenge and really, really tell a story with your vocal.
Awesome. So obviously with my category, just looking at the talent that's in the category, and I see there's a lot of younger ones too in my category. So I kind of want to challenge you all to something that's before the 1980s. So I want you to go back literally, what is that, 40 years. And I want you to pick a song before 1980. Now guys, just in advance, you can't pick a song from 1980. It needs to be before that. So 79 back. And what I need you all to do is pick a song and you make it your own. I want you to see what you do with a song from that far back to bring it up to date and make it modern and put your tweak on it. There's a lot of like diversity going on between all of you, how you sing, and of course Ryan as you rap. And I want to make it clear just in advance, of course, to all of you who do your own thing with the tracks. Now Ryan, for you this might be a lot more challenging. That, you know, that's what I want to see, because you were used to just taking the sort of tracks you listen to now off YouTube and just writing your own lyric. I want to see you write your own lyric on top of a song that was released before that year. So it's going to challenge you, but I have no doubt that all of you can take this challenge on well. So yeah, I want you all to pick a song before the 1980s, and I want you to bring it up to date and make it yours. All right? So that concludes the information for themes, guys. We're looking forward to seeing what you bring next. Theme weeks, next Friday, performances in for Friday, guys. Don't forget that, 3 PM no later. Well done to you all, and once again, and well done to the people unfortunately leaving us tonight. But you've all done amazing. Keep continuing to grow and keep continuing to blossom. We'll see you all soon.